Happy Monday morning. I'm meteorologist Henry Market City. This is your Weather Madness video to start off the week, and we got some crazy weather coming up. I think. I don't know. I was looking for the crazy stuff out there because that's the interesting stuff. You know, this heat and humidity. Yuck. Alrighty. So what's going to happen today? Cold front is going to be approaching. It's sitting out here this morning. It's going to be approaching the east tomorrow, and we've already have a story up on the blog site, Weather Madness, talking about the heavy thunderstorms coming to the northeast. But in the meantime, today there's an old boundary kind of sitting here. Old what's left of Burl is heading out to the Atlantic, kind of setting boundary down into the south. So today we're going to see a lot of showers and thunderstorms breaking out. A lot of those gutter gushing, rivulets of rain type thunderstorms, as good old Elliot Abrams used to say back in the day. Elliot was the greatest when it came to sayings about the weather. But a lot of big thunderstorms today down across the south there, and maybe some flash flooding problems going on. And then as we get toward the later part of the week, some weird weather is going to start to show up out here. I'll show you that in a second. Okay. Radar-wise this morning, it's ugly as radar ever today. A lot of ground clutter on there. There's some shower thunderstorms down across the south and through Kansas this morning there, but nothing particularly heavy out there. Some severe weather out here across the high plains. We'll talk more about that in a blog. A little later on today, I'm going to put a blog out about that, talk about that, you know, because right now, folks out there are just waking up. You guys up in the east have been up already. Tomorrow, I would imagine it's going to be a bigger risk for severe weather over here. They're probably going to put one of their enhanced things out there for tomorrow. And then this day is probably going to be more enhanced out here too. Maybe even a moderate risk out in this area. Okay, I know they like to wait till things are right there. Okay, alrighty. Let me see where I'm going to go. This is the simulator radar for the south today, and look at all the showers and thunderstorms. Oh, lots of them. Florida all the way. Everybody's going to see showers and thunderstorms today down there. Some heavy storms in there, a lot of lightning, heavy rains going on. Yeah, your typical summertime in the south. Summertime in the south. I better not sing. Yeah. Well, anyway, watch out for those storms down there. They'll be around again tomorrow. And the GFS model. This is for tomorrow. Here's the cold front. There's kind of a secondary front up in here. There's a main front right through here by tomorrow. And it's going to bring drier air in, and then things are going to get nastier after this whole dry air mass goes away. I'll show you that. This was the map I put out for tomorrow's severe weather from Vermont, New Hampshire, down through New England, and New York City, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington, all going to see severe thunderstorms, or heavy thunderstorms, I should say. Thunderstorms will be ongoing in a line coming across Pennsylvania, so you get some boomers early, but they'll head on eastward and they'll enhance. That's why I said this might become more severe tomorrow as we see fit. This is the 3K, the 3K NAM. You can see the distribution of thunderstorms, all up and down the I-95 corridor into the northeast there for tomorrow. Some fairly hefty cells here through Massachusetts, lower Hudson Valley, into Connecticut. Okay, now what's gonna happen later? This is Wednesday. This is where things get kind of odd. Now, first of all, that front's going to push on down south there, so all your shower and thunderstorms get pushed all the way down the Gulf Coast states. But then you get this heat and humidity coming back around. Okay, put an arrow there, and then you have this out here. Okay, and watch what happens. This kind of pointing towards some big thunderstorms out there on Wednesday, and then Thursday the model, what the model is doing here, this is just like headache city. But the model then brings low pressure up into Wisconsin, Minnesota, all right, with more showers and thunderstorms kind of behind it and reeling around it, okay? Then it gets weirder after this. So this is, that's Thursday, this is Friday. That low goes here, another one develops here, okay? All right, develops down here in Ohio. If that's right, then you got severe weather going on down here because all this heat humidity is coming up around again. All right, and then you get into I think I got Saturday on here. And then Saturday, okay, I think as far as I go, then you got low pressure developing off the coast. You got tremendous amounts of showers and thunderstorms from the Great Lakes into the Appalachians and the Mid-Atlantic. You know, I said it's going to get rainier with time, but this is getting crazy. This model's just going. It's kind of like as Joe Bastardi always used to tell me, this convective feedback that goes on in these models here, and I think this is what's happening. That you're getting this kind of weird look to the model with these weird lows running around and all this other convection. But I think in general, what we're going to see is some thunderstorms develop out in the plains. There are some big thunderstorms develop, and it just kind of crashes eastward with time. By the weekend, you've got a lot of showers and thunderstorms going on, and we get into that wet weather pattern we've been talking about with a lot of showers and thunderstorms and the flash flooding and everything else. And some low pressure might try to, it's kind of a big trough that's going to dip in, might try to develop here and right up in the northeast here. So a lot of interesting, kind of strange weather coming up. All right, the western part of the country, I know I didn't talk about you guys that much there, but the western part of the country is going to be typical afternoon thunderstorm. Seems like the monsoon's going to calm itself down a little bit. You know, not going to be as feisty as it has been, but there's still going to be the showers and thunderstorms around and the flash flooding problems and the wind problems that go on. All right, that's it for today. You know. This is going to be, I'm telling you, this is an interesting week coming up. It's going to be interesting to see how this all plays itself out. A lot of crazy weather coming if this is all, you know, the model's already gone crazy, but I think it's just going to get crazier as the week goes on with all these showers and thunderstorms, everything else going on. So, all right, I'm meteorologist here in America City.